So today I'm going to be showing you what I do, what I do to make money, and all my animals I own. So let's get to it. So here are my chickens right here. There's some. And my name is Grayson Stanley. Yeah, live on a farm. And I'll go show you my turkeys right now. So you go in here, and then there they are. I have 4 turkeys. Here's some ducks down there and chicks. But yeah, that's it right there in here. So now we can go to, I already collected eggs, so we can do that in another video. But yeah, put this sign back up. So I guess, meet you guys in the duck pen. See ya. What's up? I made it to the rabbits, and I have 2 females and 1 male. So I'll show you them. So I have a female right there, and then it's a registered male. I don't know what that is back there. It's kind of dark. But if you can see, I don't know. Like they have been. There might be babies back there, but I don't know if it was. Which one was it? Which one of you was it? So, yeah, that's mainly. In the next videos, I'll show you gathering the eggs and doing other chores. And I'll also get more animals as I learn and stuff like that. So, I'll go to the barn and show you there. Here we go! Whoa! As you can see, I made it to the barn. So, right now the chickens are kind of like in bed, tucked in. And I already gathered the eggs. But yeah, here are my laying hens. There's some of them. And I have an egg business. So, I sell eggs, make money from that. And here's some more. It's kind of dark in here. But yeah, there they are. Thanks, guys, for joining in for the first video ever. Subscribe, leave a comment down below, and see you on the next video. See ya!